What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Valet connector. Valet. It's a wireless USB adapter for desktops or laptop PCs, and it says from the worldwide leader in wireless networking. And then on this side, hold on, let me get the plastic off, making it hard for the camera to capsule. Okay, here we go. Here we go. On right here, it says award-winning customer support, and on the bottom it says Valet connector. Down here, I'm not sure if I should show that. The product, why don't I read this? On this side, it says minimum USB. Okay. It's minimum requirement. Down here it says its instructions. Number 1, insert the USB connector on your computer. 2, click setup Valet connector. You don't see this. Open the Cisco Valet and open setup. Right here says welcome to the new home wireless experience. Here's a quick start guide. It says connect, walk, smart tool, and let's get started. Then it says live, play, open this up, open the back up. That's nice and shiny. Here's a USB device. It says Cisco on it. Hold on. My camera's not that fast. Okay. Cisco. Then there's this small thing right here, which I'm probably going to be sticking inside a small box I have, since my cats love to get everything. And there's this little cap on here that I have to get. Okay. This will go well with my Mac. It's over. Cisco Valet connector. I'm keep this in here. It's on. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and it matches my t-shirt. Thanks for watching. Wait, comment, subscribe, and be sure to like. Bye.